Hi, this is Dorothy Kilty from Raccoon Alley, and this is LineDotArrow Week 2 Challenge. I used both the freebies and some of the kit for this, so I bought the big kit. And as you can see, I use things from the cover sheet. So this is my booklet. I have some extra tags here I can use, and what I've done with this cute little thing is make a little trifold holder. So here one of these pockets is decorated with pieces from the kit. I think this is actually a tag from last week, but it fit in there so nicely. And then I made a trifold, and as you can see, each of the side pockets is covered with things, and then it has one pocket in it. I didn't want to put strings and things in all of these, so I just cut out some of the little circles to cover these up. The middle part of the trifold here has the pocket on the bottom, or the tag in the bottom pocket, and in the top one, this was cut off one of the cover sheets, and I just put it on some line paper so you have some cute little paper, cute little writing paper. And then here's the back. I did not put any pockets on the very back because I may glue it down. So thanks for watching. Thanks, Natalie, for your gorgeous kits.